This is Becky Suomala, and I'm watching our quiz bird of the week. He's in the community gardens. It's a big, bulky hawk, looking around, watching for small rodents that it feeds on. You can see it's got a white belly with a dark band. Oh, down it goes. Now it's on the ground. If you've noticed, the tail had a little bit of a reddish tinge to it. Had some faint banding on it. It wasn't really bright red. But it's an immature red-tailed hawk. And the youngsters don't have full red tails. They're full size, as you can see. But it'll take another year before they get that bright red tail. They have that very thin banding on the tail. And characteristic of all red-tailed hawks, they have a big white breast with a dark belly band on it. At least that's the identifying field mark here in the east. There's a lot of variation in their plumage out west. And you're often likely to see them by the highway, where they'll sit and look for small rodents in the cut grass. That's what this one's doing now. He's down on the ground. And we've had a lot of voles in the gardens this year. And I suspect that's what he's looking for. And peeking in there. Oh, there's something in there he thinks he wants. Can hear a flicker calling in the background. This young red-tail is getting pretty good at hunting. His parents are no longer feeding him, which they will do after the young first fledge. He may stay around for the winter, or may leave for Point South. Boy, he really thinks there's something there. From this angle you can see that reddish tinge to the tail, but they don't always have it. Sometimes it looks just like a light brown tail, so they can be confusing in the fall. Well, we will leave this bird to search for his breakfast. Oh, look at that. Oh, now he's preening. Poking with his foot. Oh, he got something. He knew it was there and he finally got it. Oh, it's a little vole. I think it's a vole or a mouse. It's a small rodent. Boy, he knew it was there and he got it. Look like a small rodent. Oh, look at that. There he goes. Oh, look at that. I'm not sure that's a vole. I'm going to zoom in on it. Oh, maybe you don't want to watch him eating that. So he's holding it with his feet as he picks it into bite-sized pieces. I say he, but you can't tell the males from the females. Females should be a little bit bigger than the males. But with just a single bird, I can't tell that. Oh, and there he goes. And once he's digested that, he'll cough up a pellet of the bones and undigestible fur parts. Oh, and right back to the hunt again. Oh, fascinating. Oh, you can see the banding on his tail there. Look at that. Well, that's been an interesting observation of our red-tailed hawk getting its dinner.